What is going on, guys? Aaron here with Turbo Details, and welcome back to another video. Today's video we have a 2014 Chevy Impala, and this one is extremely dirty. This is worse than the Honda Civic. The carpets and seats were so soiled. Oh my gosh, it was absolutely ridiculous. For anyone new to the channel, at 1,000 subscribers, I am shaving my entire head of hair, so make sure to give Turbo Details a subscribe. And if you wouldn't mind liking, commenting, and as well subscribing, it does help the YouTube algorithm when you like the video and comment on it. It helps us so that our channel and videos boost and we can grow to reach more people who love auto detailing. We took your guys' request, and in this video there's going to be no music whatsoever. It is going to be straight machine sounds. We have the carpet extractor, the vacuum, spray bottles, and all of that, so enjoy the video. If everything else is right, that'll work. That is going to wrap up the video. Leave a comment down below if you enjoyed the machine sounds. We appreciate the feedback. Or if you want some music, a mixture, or if you want just straight machine sounds from here on out. We hope it was very satisfying. Again, I'm Aaron from Turbo Details. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out. If you made it this far, comment down your favorite food.